Wow, wow, wow. What an energetic and amazing Huli Vesha it was, wasn't it? How was the Josh? Yay! How was the roar? Make some noise! Woo! Thank you. The tigers have gone. But don't worry, we are still two of us who are still lively. So meet my co-host Supriya and my co-host Shruti, and we'll be taking you through the prize distribution ceremony. Good evening to one and all present here. Welcome to the cultural evening. Now, with the same excitement and festive spirit, we move on to one of the most excited moments of the day. Let us all give 3 cheers to this. All the little ones there. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Yes, that's the Josh. We are celebrating you, the winners. And not just the winners, but every athlete who gave their best on the field in our community. So, without further delay, let us begin the prize distribution and celebrate the stars of our CC family. Please put your hands together as we announce the name and encourage the winners and the runner-up as they walk on the stage. So, let us begin with the senior citizens category. The first game is sorting game. I now take the privilege of welcoming Mr. K.R. Subramania sir on stage, please, to give away the awards. Please, sir. Please, sir. Sorting game, senior citizens women. Winners Mahadevi, Geeta Lakshmi, Saraswati ma'am. All of you please come here. So congratulations to all the winners. First place in sorting game senior citizens women goes to Mahadevi. Second place goes to Geeta Lakshmi. Third place goes to Saraswati. Please give a huge round of applause for the senior citizen winners. That's all is a Josh for the beginning of the event. More applause. Second prize, Shruti. The second place goes to Geeta Lakshmi. The third place goes to Saraswati. Next we have the sorting game senior citizens men's category. Can all the 3 prize winners can stand here for a photo, please? All the 3 of you.
Chief guest, everybody.
Okay, moving on with the sorting game for men. First place goes to Ravi Shankar. Second place goes to Guru Datta. Can we please have the winners and the runners on the stage, please? Are they here? The next game, memory game winners, please be ready. Okay, the memory game. First place, Ravi Shankar. Second place goes to Indu Vaidya. Third place goes to Somashekar Rao. Can I please have all the winners here on the stage, please?
Ready? All the best.
A big round of applause. Hello. Third praise goes to Somashekar Rao. I saw him. Next game, sport work. Senior citizens, UN, please be ready. Mala and Saraswati, please be ready. Up next we call sport work for senior citizens, women's category. First place goes to Mala, second place goes to Saraswati. Next, we move on to sport work senior citizens men category. Lakshman on first place, Somashekar Rao on second place. Yeah, please give them a big round of applause. Thank you. Second time, Mr. Somashekar Rao.
Congratulations. Congratulations, sir.
Let us begin with a battle of minds. The chess below 20 category. These young players showed impressive strategy, patience and focus. Congratulations to all the winners. I request the winners of the chess below 20 category to come forward and receive their prizes. First place goes to Anirudh. Second place goes to Siddharth. Third place goes to Pratham. Anirudh, first place. Congratulations, Anirudh. Do we have Siddharth? Could we have Siddharth on stage?
We request you to collect the Siddharth's medal.
This was a honorable moment from grandfather to the grandson.
Third place goes to Pratham. Yeah.
Moving on to chess above 20 category, their sharp thinking and tactical moves made their category very exciting. A big congratulations to all the winners. First place goes to Raghavendra S. Second place goes to Ganesh Partharthi. And also request all the prize winners to stand here after receiving their medals so that we can have a group photo. Moving on to a fun and challenging event, paired with ping pong ball. This required steady hands and perfect balance. Congratulations to our winners for acing it. I requested them to come forward and receive their prizes. First place goes to Adhit, second place goes to Athar, third place goes to Hitansh. Children, after receiving your medals, please stand here for a group photo.
Thank you so much, Subramanya sir, for doing the honors.
Again, I got a joke.
We now call upon stage Mr. Satish Bhandarkar to please give away the awards. Our active MC member, you can see his fan following already.
Hey, wrong side up. Hey.
Okay, next is the energetic and joyful hop praise. These participants showed great balance and enthusiasm. Winners of hop praise. First place goes to Sampada, second place goes to Ruchira, third place goes to Riyanshi. All the children there, can you make some noise? Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! For our little champions from grade 1 to grade 3, the lemon and spoon race was full of excitement and adorable moments. Congratulations to all the winners. Kindly come forward for your prizes. First place goes to Adit, second place goes to Hitansh, third place goes to Anaga. Please put your hands together for the winners.
Not yours. Just hold it in your hand.
This is an honor to become Anaga's brother, is it? Now for our energetic youngsters from grade 4 to 7, the skipping race. They impressed us with speed, stamina and rhythm. Winners of the skipping race. First place goes to Kashyap, second place goes to Sanviji, third place goes to Avyan. Please put your hands together. Look at him! All ready to receive the medal. Now we move on to an exciting and skillful event, the tire spinning race for grade 4 to grade 7. This race truly tested balance, control and speed. Our young participants showed amazing coordination and energy. Winners of the tire spinning race, grade 4 to grade 7, I request all of you to come forward. First place goes to Kashyap, second place goes to Sanvijay, third place goes to Advait. He's on a roll. Keep the applauses coming.
Oh my god.
The same tire spinning race category. Thank you. Moving on to the tire spinning race for women's category. Our participants showed fantastic energy, focus and competitive spirit. First place goes to Amolya, second place goes to Sangeeta in the tire spinning race category for women. Sangeeta B702. Sangeeta. Anyone from their family who can collect her award? Up next, we have the tire spinning race for the men's category.
Adya.
An event filled with strength, skill, and great competitive spirit. The participants displayed impressive control and enthusiasm throughout the race. First place goes to Raghav. Second place goes to Arvind.
Let's get to this one. Okay, you have. Next to me, I'll have. It's taking from there. Take one photo.
Now we move on to the squash, age 8 to 11 category. These young players showed amazing agility, focus, and wonderful fighting spirit throughout the matches. First place goes to Adit S. Kashyap. Second place goes to Srishant. Adit, I think you can stand for the entire ceremony. He's got 3 goals in a row.
Photo.
Yeah, it's going on here.
Next, we honor the winners from the squash age 12 to 16 category. This group displayed incredible speed, accuracy, and competitive energy. First place goes to Pratham Vaipi. Second place goes to Anaga K.
Here. Uncle, come front again.
The winners don't want me.
So we would want you to complete the squash prizes giveaway, squash category. So that's for the adults category. The first place goes to Abhay Ganesh. And second place goes to his father, Ganesh Parthsarathi. So winners from the same family. I think Priya also can join here. And we request Priya to join for mentoring them and coaching them.
Wait for a photo.
Next is the slow cycling category for ages 12 to 16. These participants showed amazing focus and steady control throughout the race. Congratulations winners. First place goes to Siddharth. Second place goes to Anaga K. Can we have Siddharth and Anaga K on the stage please? Siddharth. Second place, Anaga K. Anaga K. Do we have Anaga?
Seeker, coming.
cycling. So she's yeah. Thank you so much, Satish uncle, for doing the honor. Thank you, Satish uncle. We now request Mr. Krishna Ramachandran, our MC member, to come on stage and to give away the prizes.
Yes.
Please give a round of applause for Mr. Krishna.
Now let's move on to the snow cycling event for the 16 and above men's category. This race was filled with skill, balance and a lot of excitement. First place goes to Ganesh. Second place goes to Pavan.
Ganesh, wait.
Pavan is none other than my co-host Supriya's husband. Please can you...
Hey, all guys will start coming there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ
Next we have we recognize the winners of women's categories snow cycling. First place goes to one and only Amulya K. I think she's the only winner.
In the slow cycling category for women.
She completed the race without pausing. Congratulations, Amulya.
Congratulations. Okay, next we move on to an exciting event. BB shootout for kids aged 8 to 11. Our young sharpshooter showed great aim, focus and determination. Winners of BB shootout 8 to 11 category. First place goes to Anvat. Yeah, my second place goes to Adit. Third place goes to Kashyap.
Oh my god!
ಬಾಬು
Oh my god, how much is
wait.
Adi getting? Oh my god! Oh, Kashyap, stop it!
Thank you.
What did you do?
Next we call upon the BB shootout 13 to 18 years category. First place goes to Vihani. Second place goes to Saya. Third place goes to Pratham. Can we have all the winners on the stage, please? Instead of Vihani, I request her mother Sahana to please come on the stage.
I want to choose.
Next, the winners of BB shootout for ladies, please be ready.
Okay, BB shootout for ladies. First place goes to Smita, second place goes to Vanita, third place goes to Amulya again. Okay, next we call upon stage slow cycling kids 8 to 11 years category. First place goes to Athav, second place goes to Riyanshi, third place goes to Samli J.
Riyachi.
Congratulations, children. Great job.
Nice, Riyanshu.
Thank you. Congratulations to all the winners so far. Now we have skipping winners. First place goes to Kashyap. Second place goes to Anshuman. Third place goes to Pratham. Here they are having a competition of who won the most medal. Second place Anshuman.
Now can I choose the cat?
Third place Pratham. Yeah.
Sorry.
And I can see Pratham's pocket becoming like bigger and bigger. Third place goes to Pratham. Yeah.
I want to choose. Nice.
Thank you. And now we have Bronze Stars winner. First place again goes to Pratham.
All stars.
Second place goes to Siddharth. Third place goes to Sangat. It's a new game introduced from this year. So, we are also updating our games list as per the new generation. We have introduced a new video game category.
Yeah, guys.
Next we move on to the swimming category. Age 6 to 9 years. First place goes to Punam. Second place goes to Rudransh. Third place goes to Sampada.
ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೋವಾಗ ಒಂದು ತೆಗಿ
Congratulations to all the winners. Next we have swimming age 10 to 12 years category. First place goes to Vivan. Second place goes to Artemis. Third place goes to Srisham. You can see a studious boy here who's just come back from the school.
That's right. That's right. Actually,
Women age 13 to 16 years category. First place goes to Saira. Second place goes to Sharadi.
can I choose one now?
Next we have swimming 18 plus age group. First place goes to Bhargav. Second place goes to Ganesh. Third place goes for a tie between Anvita and Swaroop. Partners in back. Congratulations to all the winners. Next we move on to hold the pose category. First place goes to Soumya. Second place goes to Katyayini. Please give them a big round of applause. And I think we also get to see their performance tonight.
Do something else. Sean, Chaitanya! Your mom is calling. Dad, you. No, it's okay.
You will have to hold the pose along with your gifts also. Next, we move on to Karam Adults category. Aditya and Bhargav in first place. Kiran and Arnav in second place. Can we please have winners on the stage, please? Aditya and Bhargav in the first place. Second place, Kiran and Arnav.
Which one? Which dog?
Karam Adults category.
Which one? This one. Which one?
Second place, Kiran and Arnav.
कौन आगे
Congratulations to all the winners. And thank you so much, Mr. Krishna, for doing the honors for us. Please give a round of applause for Mr. Krishna. Thank you, Krishna, sir. Next, we call upon Mr. Somshekhar to please come on stage and give a round of prizes. I guess we can make more noise. We call upon the winners of Karam Kids category. First place goes to Samiksha and Amulya. Second place goes to Avni Pai and Anagha. Third place goes to Adit and Shrisham. First all the winners to come running and collect your prizes.
Take a picture. Take a picture of me.
अमूल्य अमूल्य
Send it to my mother. Oh, who is this person? This side,
Thank you to all the Karam winners. Next we move on to under 13 table tennis. First place goes to Shishank and Adit. Second place goes to Pino and Samanyu. Third place goes to Artemis and Anurag. I think all the CC little ones have that sportsmanship by default in them. Third place goes to Artemis and Anvil. Where is Artemis and Anvil? Anvil and Artemis.
पवन पवन ನೀವೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ Come on, Pawan. Come on, Pawan.
Oh, it Yeah.
And you, somebody.
ನಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು
ಇವಾಗ 5 ಬಂದಿದೆ
Come.
ನನಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ
Now next we move on to under 18 category table tennis. First place goes to YP Pratham and Abhay G. Second place goes to Tapaswin and Sambat. Next doubles TT winners, please be ready.
I want to do it on me.
You want any help, I'll come and do. Your flat or butt.
Take a picture of
When you have for yoga, right? I have a butt over there. That's what I have.
Send it, send it.
Do some like I'll tell you. But wait.
me right there.
Sure.
Right there.
Next we move on to the mixed doubles TT. First place goes to Pratham. Second place goes to Avani Pai. Sorry, they are a team. Pratham and Avani Pai. Second place goes to Abhay and Samiksha.
Take a picture of me.
That's how you do
Take a
Pratham and Avani, first place. Yeah. Second place, Abhay and Samiksha. Children, I request you to stand team-wise.
This way, Pratham.
correct set ಆಯಿತು.
Next, we move on to TT men's doubles. First place goes to Balakumaran M and Harishkar Kuruvanti. Second place goes to Vivek S and Gaurav. Next, TT women's doubles. Winners, please be ready.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ
Sir, alley. Wait. Come, Gaurav.
Do it on me. Do it on me.
Take both, take both.
Vivek and Gaurav.
Sir,
Take a picture of me. No, it does not work. I also have
ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಲ್ವ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನಾನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ
You look gorgeous.
ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ
Next, we move on to TT women's doubles. First place goes to Rashmi and Sahana. Second place goes to my co-host Supriya and Vaishnavi. Congratulations, winners.
ఇక్కడ ಬನ್ನಿ
wait.
wait ವೈಶು ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್
Second place goes to Supriya and Vaishnavi.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
And do it on me.
That's it.
Put the other one and put it on me.
Well played.
Hey, wait.
Well played, Amol. Well played, Amol. Well played.
We now now call upon the badminton category for kids. First place goes to Sanvi J and Adya R. Second place goes to Adit and Srishant. Please give them a big round of applause.
Come on, Sandy. Yeah. Come on, Adia. Hey,
I
Adia.
think this is a proof of being an athlete. I can see her in complete athlete attire even now. That's a wonderful cheer. I think we should do it more.
Come.
Next we move on to badminton 13 to 16 years category. First place goes to Siddharth and YP Pratham. Second place goes to Anaga K and Pari. Lovely audience, I can really feel cheerful to announce further prizes. Next we go to badminton female category. First place goes to Soumya Sandeep and Sri Rashmi. Second place goes to Supriya and Vaishnavi. Badminton female category.
Come on, Arvind. Arvind. Come on, Chandrasekhar. Rashmi. ले.
आराम से
निदान अरे प्रधान.
Next we move on to badminton mixed doubles category. First place goes to Swarup and Amrita. Second place goes to Jay and Sanvi Jay.
Come on, Amrita. Come on, Saurabh. Come on, Sanjay. Come on, Jay.
As we are announcing the badminton winners, I would also like to mention that Mr. Raghavendra here had sponsored the shuttle for the entire tournament. So can we give him a big round of applause for Mr. Raghavendra? Thank you.
Next time, ask him to sponsor the court also.
Now we move on to the badminton men category. First place goes to Swarup and Pawan. Second place goes to Shashidhar and Raghavendran.
He came. He only came.
He knows anyone, no?
Okay, Raghavendra. Next time, sponsor the court. Here.
Congratulations to all the winners. Next we have Coco winners. Coco team. Amor Coco. Amor, Sami MS, Puna, Samanyu, Sami J, Adya, Abhyaan. Can we have all the winners on the stage, please? Congratulations, team.
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪುನಃ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ
ಪುನಃ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಪುನಃ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ
ನಿಮ್ ಜೋಬಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೋಮಶೇಖರ್ ನಿಮ್ ಜೋಬಲ್ಲಿ
Big
ಇದೆ.
round of applause for all the winners.
ವೆಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ಸೋಮಶೇಖರ್.
Now we have a last award category for now, which is dodgeball from 8 to 12 years category. First place goes to the team Rudraj, Punam, Srishank, Abhyaan, Medha, Adya, Anaga.
ಶ್ರೀಶಾಂತ್
These are the first place winners. Now I call upon the second place winners. Team Adya R, Sanvi J, Sughosh, Aaron, Riyanshi, Shadia, Ishan. Let us all give them a big round of applause. So much is the Josh. That's all.
ಆಂಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡು ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್
ಶಾದಿ
ಸೇಮ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ದೊಡ್ಡಾಳಾದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರ ಥರನೇ
ಇವರಪ್ಪ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್
Please give them a big round of applause as they were. Next, we move on to dodgeball 13 to 16 years category. First place goes to Anagha B, Samvit, Pranusha, Sairam, Avani. Congratulations, team.
ಓ ಸಾಯಿರಾಮ್.
ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್
Take from Adit. Shortage to take from Adit.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು
No point from here.
ಓಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಐ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ರೋಬೋ
I'm only getting one more medal. 6 minutes.
Come here, everyone.
5, 6, 8.
Next, in the second place, we have Pari, Samiksha, Vihani, and Pratham.
Dodgeball and this thing. Coco and Shirav are second now. This is second place. This is a position.
ಏ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು ಸಮೀಕ್ಷೆ ಬಿಡು ಏನಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ
Position and I saw
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ವರ್ಣಿತು ಬಿಯಾನಿಗೆ
Congratulations to all the winners of dodgeball.
Shishang.
We now call the
Tell
toddlers.
Shishang to get
We had 3 events for the toddlers. Ball in the bucket for 1 to 2 years. Advait, Anaira and Isha. Can we have them on stage, please? Maybe their parents also have to come and help them. The parents can stand along with the toddlers too. So we don't have first, second, third. We are encouraging them to be the future athletes of CC.
Aditya, come on, Aditya.
Advait, Anaira, Isha.
Well played, Aditya.
These are 1 to 2 years category.
Well played, Raghavendra.
ಮುಂದೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಮುಂದೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು ಅವ್ರು ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ
Please give your big round of applause for these 1 to 2-year-old toddlers.
Hey, you are blocking the view.
And thank you so much for their parents for encouraging them to participate.
Quickly take photo and go.
Hello.
ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ
Thank you. We now welcome 3 to 4 years category. Varnita, Sitara, Chinmayi. Oh, sorry, Varnit. Varnit, Sitara, Chinmayi. They are from 3 to 4 years category. Second Sitara, third Chinmayi.
Adi.
Thank you.
ಫೋಟೋ ಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ
Well played, Chinmay.
Congratulations to all the toddlers. We have one more category left. Yeah, the last category to go, 4 to 5 years. Yana, first place. Second place, Ridan. Third place, Satvik.
Hey, careful. Gauri, careful. When they're going, they'll drop this. Who's managing this? Then you have to hold this. When kids are going, they'll drop it.
ಓಕೆ
Mat.
ಆದಿ ಅದು ಆದಿನ ಕರಿ ಆದಿನ
ಎಲ್ಲ
Thank you, Mr. Somshekar sir, for doing the honors.
Well played, Somshekar.
Thank you. We conclude the
Where are you?
prizes for the individual games and the prizes for the group games such as volleyball, throwball, basketball and box cricket will be distributed at the end of the cultural event. So that you all stay till the end of the program. Because I think there is some surprise waiting for you by the end of the program. Now you can sit back and enjoy the fun-filled cultural events. To take this forward, I request Samya and Priya to come on stage and take the program forward.
ಚೇರ್ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ
5 to 10 minutes will be starting the cultural program.